Hey besties, come with me to eat at my favorite restaurant, Krab Kingz, and I don't know, I think this is Compton. It might be Wilmington, it might be Watts. They got both signs. Anyways, so my order is light. I don't like to waste food, and I want to make sure I eat it all. But this is what I got today. You ready for that plate review? Hold on. There we go. There we go. I know y'all see it. I know y'all see it. Of course. So, yeah, basically, I love to eat crab legs. This is one of my favorite foods. And I got this little standard Sprite can. Yeah. I put a lot of my friends onto this restaurant too. They be coming here, they like it. Well, let me pray first. Sometimes I be liking a little salt, but I don't need too much salt right now. I'm trying to keep my blood pressure down. I'm trying to stop snapping on bitches for no reason. It's gonna get real messy around here. That's alright. I shouldn't even waste my time with them little pieces though. I be wanting all the meat I can get. Yes, one cluster is enough for me. I don't need to have a whole bunch of food in one sitting. I do enjoy eating my food, but I don't want to waste. I want to eat until I'm full, that's all. That's it. I feel like it's not that good of a video because of the angle, but I don't got nobody to record me. And it just is what it is for the moment, so. Y'all still gonna watch me? Oh, I broke him. Y'all still gonna watch me? You know the angle fucked up? Swallow all this butter. What? I drink this butter. It's so good. Ain't this where they get the lump crab from? It's like the elbow socket. I don't know what this called, but I'll be eating the meat out of there too. I don't care. And yes, I wash my hands and use hand sanitizer before I eat this because I know how messy it gets. And I know how much digging I gotta do. That's another reason why I don't eat crab legs a lot. But when I do, baby. I got a straw for this. You know what? I should have got water too. Oh well. The corn good as hell. The potatoes good as hell too. I need to put them in smaller pieces and stop eating such big ass pieces at one time. I got lemon pepper and Cajun mild. It's so good. It's so good. I'm not gonna lie. Miss Sean Love taught me how to eat crab legs. Even though we're not close no more. Shout out to you, Miss Sean. My lemon out. Miss Sean used to make some fire crab legs too. Like, man, I went to her house. I used to be friends with Miss Sean Love daughter. Excuse me. And one year I didn't have no plans for Easter, and they invited me to the house. If you know me, or like you've been a fan for a while, you know my family don't really celebrate, so I was excited that she invited me over. And when I got there, it was a crab boil Easter dinner. I was like, oh yes, and it was so blessing. But this is like just as good. Happy Lala. Damn, I'm smacking this meal. It's only been 10 minutes. I feel like sometimes it takes me a really long time to eat this food, but today it's not taking that long. But I'm probably extra hungry because I've been doing my photo shoot all day for Dub, for off a lot of it. don't crack it to bite it. I just crack it to bend it, open enough to get it out. Don't be biting on them. Y'all heard what she said. Now you heard the tooth missing. Don't crack to bite. Just crack to bend, to wiggle it out. That's all. Look it all out. Yep, it's nice and open. I'm about to. So good. There we go. Almost out of corn, you guys. I probably should have got 2 corns, but I just got 1. Excuse me. I'm gonna need a toothpick, but it's alright. Damn, I should have got 2 clusters. Damn. I underestimated how hungry I was. Two clusters would have been smacking. Next time I'm getting soup. I feel like the last time I was here, I got 2 and I wasted it a little bit, and I don't like that. And y'all know this food ain't cheap, so you know. But I don't know about. Yeah, the food is good, but I also think there's another reason why people love crab legs and seafood boils is because it's like the primal instinct to eat with your hands. You know, it's acceptable. I know my etiquette is not the best. I already ate everything. It's done, it's over. talking about it's over. I didn't even swallow my mouth. Mm. Oh my doggy, this shit is smoking. Oh my doggy. Yeah, that was really good. I know I got myself a mess, but it's okay. Excuse me, not very ladylike, but excuse me. Y'all, I came to do what I did what I came to do. I fucked it up now. Leaving. The best part about this spot is they take easy. So if y'all got links, you can come eat here. I don't got links. But if you got links, and you gonna pay for my food with your link card, I can use some gas money or something. Hey, that was so good. Well, thanks, besties, for coming to eat with me. I guess I gotta go.